As you're studying for your SAT, don't forget to study the math formulas that are not given to you on the test. Let's go over a couple of the most common formulas that you need to know. The first formula that we're going to go over today is the equation of a circle. This concept can be tested in many different ways, but here's a quick example. After each equation, I plan on showing you guys an example question so that you can try to solve it yourself. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing the solutions, because I'll be posting those videos over the next couple of days. The next formula that you really need to memorize is the formula for a discriminant. This formula is actually part of the quadratic formula, but I think a lot of people really forget about it, and I've noticed that some teachers don't even teach about it in the curriculum. Here's how it works. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there are two real solutions. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then there's only one solution. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, that means that there's no real solutions, because that would mean that you have a negative under the radical. Here's an example of how you might see this concept tested on the SAT. Pause the video here so that you can try the problem. The last thing that I want to talk to you guys about today is actually a set of formulas. These are all of the exponent formulas that you really need to know. I already have a lot of videos on my page going over some of these rules, so you can just scroll down and check them out. I can even link some if people are interested. Pause the video here and see if you can do this example problem. As I mentioned before, don't worry if you guys don't know how to do some of the problems. I plan to complete all of them in the next couple of days, and we'll definitely work on getting them uploaded here. I'm thinking about turning this into a series, so definitely let me know if this video is helpful for you.